Hello, good evening students. Let us see one problem student, and that is a topic which is asked by my student, that is dynamic equilibrium student. Dynamic you know, my student, this is the that is continuous process student, that is the amount of reactant is converting into product and product is also converting into reactant. So that is whatever this is happening both direction student, that is the similar concentration, that is what is dynamic equilibrium. In another way students, suppose we are having 5 liter H2O, and then what is happening, we are having that is 5 liter, what is there, ice. Okay, so if 2 liter ice, 2 liter water freeze, okay, 2 liter water freeze to ice, so the same 2 liter 2 liter ice, what is getting converted into what? 2 liter ice converted into water. Okay, so that is this type of the phenomena is taking place student, that is what is known as dynamic equilibrium. Now let us have read out the point student. What is at equilibrium, both the forward reaction and the reverse reaction continue to take place with equal rate, same rate, hence the equilibrium is dynamic. Okay student, so that is whether the forward reaction is there and backward reaction, if it is K1 is there, this is K2. So if K1 equal to K2 is there, so that is what is known as dynamic equilibrium. Okay, same rate student. Next, what point they are saying, the dynamic nature of the chemical equilibrium can be demonstrated in dynamic equilibrium can be demonstrated in the synthesis of ammonia by Haber process. Okay, in the preparation of ammonia we can easily understand the dynamic equilibrium student. Okay, so two experiment are there student. First one is there, N2 plus 3S2 equal to 2NH3, and second one is there, N2 plus 3D2, it is 2ND3 is giving. Okay, two things are happening, N2 plus 3S2 it is giving 2NH3 and N2 plus 3D2 it is giving 2ND3. So these things are happening. Okay, and both are either, here is the heavy hydrogen taken, then here is normal hydrogen. Now student, what is happening, what we are saying in this process, that is this is for this K1 K2, this is there, for this one is Ka and Kb, right? When you are making the mixture student, let us read out. Okay, here these two equilibrium mixture, okay, these two equilibrium mixture having same composition are there, okay, are mixed together, they all are mixed together. Okay, all are mixed together. Later when mixture is analyzed, okay, it is found that the concentration of ammonia is same as before. So whatever the concentration is ammonia is there, this case number 1 is always same. Okay, what they are saying, but equilibrium mixture contain NH3, NH2D, NHD2, ND3, H2, HD, D2. This observation proved that chemical equilibrium. What is meaning of this? Actually, why the student got confused? See student, why the concentration, although there are so many things are there, okay, you can find here the numerous things are there, but since it is dynamic equilibrium, student, since this is the dynamic equilibrium, so as many it is combining N2 plus 3 H2, that much NH3 is forming and that much this is decomposing. Another terms you try to understand, in the mixture student, so many components are there. Okay, N2 plus 3 H2, it is giving rise to NH3. Okay, 2 NH3 means that is what is the K1 is there, K2 is there, both side constant student. Okay, whatever the equilibrium mixture is there student, that doesn't mean that is it is having that is ND3 is there, okay, or that is D2 is there or anything, that they are not going to affect student. Why it is not going to affect student? Because it is a dynamic equilibrium. They are not going to affect because it is a dynamic equilibrium. The amount this combined to form NH3, same amount it is decomposing to form N2 plus 3H2. So both the things are same. Why both are same? Because it is a dynamic student. Okay, this is the dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium means nothing will nothing will be change. no concentration can change the equilibrium concentration. Whatever the forward reaction will be there, that will be the backward reaction. That is why these things NH2D, NHD2, ND3, H2, HD, they are not changing. Why? Because we know that is rate of forward, okay, rate of forward is equal to rate of backward, is equal to backward, okay, backward. So this is what is happening. So that because both are forward and backward are same, so N2 plus 3H2 giving rise to NH3, that is same. So that it is what is student? Dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic. Although in this equilibrium mixture student, there are so many things are there, but we know it is since it is dynamic, so the concentration of NH3 will be always same. Okay, so that is what is answer student. You can ask better in the classroom also, I will explain. If you find this video helpful student, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching friends.